This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Robert Keller. Attractively decorated NEAL Communities Applause Builder model is ready to be yours. This 2,110 square feet floor plan offers 3 BRS plus den and 3 BOSS and is loaded with upgrades and designer finishes. Enjoy sunsets over the lake from your spacious outdoor living area that features pool and spa. This is one of a select few communities that has natural gas for your cooking enjoyment. Upgraded kitchen and baths along with many other designer items make this home really well appointed. The Gourmet Kitchen package includes GE-profile stainless steel appliances, 42 level 4 linen cabinets, oversized kitchen island and granite counters, 12 by 24 plank tiles and main living areas with carpeting in the BRs. Other features include crown molding, tray ceilings and 8 feet doors. Great location and low HOA fees for this gated community. Offered furnished negotiable, furniture list price equals $20,000, must see this beautiful builder model home. For more information, review the details below.